Traction control is a safety feature in modern vehicles designed to prevent your wheels from spinning excessively, especially in slippery conditions like rain, snow, or mud. It works by reducing engine power, applying brakes to individual wheels when it detects a loss of traction. This system helps keep your vehicle stable and safe, especially on roads with limited grip. However, there are times when you might want to turn it off, like when driving through deep snow, sand, or mud, where a little wheel spin can help you maintain momentum. So how do you turn off the traction control in your Kia Sportage? First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. You cannot turn off the traction control while the vehicle is in motion. Usually there is a button on the dashboard which you can use to turn off the traction control quickly, but not in this vehicle. You will have to go into the settings menu in the instrument cluster to disable the traction control feature. Press the menu button on the steering wheel to enter the user settings menu in the instrument cluster display. With the driver assistance option highlighted, press the OK button on the steering wheel to enter the submenu. Select ESC, Electronic Stability Control option and press OK. Here you can disable the control feature. Scroll down and select the ESC off, TCS off option and then press the OK button on the steering wheel. This will turn off both the traction control and stability control. With the traction control off, your vehicle's stability system won't intervene if your wheels lose grip. This can be useful in situations like driving on snow, mud, or sand where you want more wheel spin to maintain momentum. However, always exercise caution when driving with traction control disabled, especially on slippery or uneven surfaces. To turn the system back on, select the ESC on option in the settings menu and then press the OK button. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more automotive tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.